And that was a long sucker, I want to tell you. They say, how do you do it? I said, I do it because I like the man standing on my left. And I said it 2 nights before about the Crown Prince, but last night I had the Emir, and he's fantastic. And I said, it's really not hard. You know, when you like the people, and when you are doing something, we have a term, MAGA, Make America Great Again, very simple term. And I remember Biden saying, we will not let MAGA take over this country. I said, no, you stupid person. It says, Make America Great Again. It's okay if it takes over the country. It's called Make America Great Again. And that's where we are right now.